Hello, I'm Asif Farouk of Finextra and we're here at Cybos 2014 in Boston. And today I'm with Lars Millberg of SEB. So Lars, it's good to see you again. We're going to be talking about pricing in transaction banking. What trends are you seeing then in the currencies that you work in?
Yes, we see historically low interest levels nowadays, and traditionally transaction banking has been, the pricing model has been that you've charged margins on the deposits and the overdrafts, and those margins are in current environment kind of difficult to take, because if we have 0.25 basis points or even in some currencies negative interest, we cannot really charge the interest net anymore, which have started me to think a lot about, together with my management group, how to transform away from the interest net dependencies that we've had and move over to a more transparent and more simplistic way of pricing transaction banking.
Okay. Let's move on to a completely different sector, and this time it's the corporate versus the retail side, especially with regards to innovation. I've noticed the pace of innovation has moved very, very quickly on the retail side of banking, but it doesn't seem to be going as fast in the corporate side. Why do you think that's happening?
I think generally we are struggling together with our colleagues in other banks about how to use the new functionality that all the people nowadays have in their hands. I mean, 10 years ago, people didn't have a smartphone, now they have. And the demand on the retail banking part of SEB has come clearly from our retail clients. As the corporate institutions, they still need to find ways of reconciliating their books. They need to have their books in order. So we cannot only go mobile on them. But I think we are in my management group and together with other people in the bank thinking a lot about what will it be to be a client of a transaction bank 10 years from now? What will it be that glues the customer to the institution? I don't really think that the only answer is information and capabilities to manage data in a good way. That's the way I see it.